Hello there! It's Miss Cedra, your art teacher. This week we're going to be having our in-home art project, but we're also going to be having a story time. For our art project, we're going to be making salt dough figurines.
Check out the Three Little Pigs story after your art class.
Now it's time for our art project. Let's try making one of the characters from the Three Little Pigs using salt dough. We're going to send home one lump of salt dough, but salt dough is really easy to make. Just add the same amounts of flour and salt, and then stir in some water. If your dough feels too sticky, add more flour. Too dry? What do you add? Easy peasy. Do you have your salt dough? Let's make a character. Now molding your character will be a fun process. A lot of pounding, pinching, pulling. Really, we just feel out the shapes that we want to make. Since I'm making a little pig, I'll need to make all the pig parts. Can you tell which parts I'm making? The smoother you make your salt dough, the better it will dry and stay together. Hello, kids. Eat tofu. After our art class, when you'll be hearing the Three Little Pigs, think about which character you'd like to make. What kind of shapes will you need to make? What's this shape? Where does that go on a pig? Make your body nice and sturdy and able to either sit down or stand up easily. So if you make a very big body, he probably needs to be sitting down. I'm going to add toothpicks just to give a little bit more of a sturdy neck to my pig. There. Wait, we almost forgot a very important part. There we go. He's now ready to be baked for 30 minutes at 93 degrees Celsius. You may want to ask for a baking pan and an adult's help. Now my little pig is ready for the next step, painting.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Okay, time to paint. Pigs come in many, many colors. What color would you make your pig? Are you going to make a wolf out of salt dough? What color will you make your wolf? Paint brings life into your little character. Remember the little details make something really special. Now my little pig is all dry and done. See you guys next time. It's now time for story with Miss Sarah. Think about which storybook character you want to make.